Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this two-way radio. This is a Retevis, a model number RT22. This is a walkie-talkie with included the headset. So let's start by opening the box. This is around 45.99 Canadian dollars in Amazon, and yeah, that's one pair, 45.99, and first and second pair. The battery is 1000 milliampere, and the radius or the distance is around 1.5 miles to 2 miles. This is a USB-C, and it has this belt clip, or if you want to clip it in your backpack, and this is also removable. See, and then also included this charger. It has two USB connection here, and they are USB-A, the old one, the old style. All right, I thought it's a USB-C, but anyway. And these are the headsets. So it's much better. You can clip it in your clothes or anywhere. This is the mic. All right, let's try it. Also two-piece, one each radio. All right, and we do the battery here. So let's see. All right, so open the battery. Open the back for the battery. Remove it, and then install this battery. It says here, yeah, 3.7 volts and 1000 milliampere. So install it this way, just like the old cell phone, and then here, and oops, this one. First, remove the belt clip, and then same thing. You have to remove this back cover and install the battery. Right? Then there's this pin, name fronting, and then slide it and snap the back cover. All right, this one have 7 channel, I think. Oh, there's the headset connection. Let's try it. It's yeah. Put it here on the other side. Headset connection and the mic. This is the charger. And volume. And this is the press this if you want to talk. So let's try. So this way. Okay, and then I don't know what's this. I think this is the headset. So this is the mic end. There's a button here to press if you want to talk, and I think this is the for the earpiece. So this one yeah, this is the earpiece. Okay, one, and this one includes a one silicone if you have you need a bigger size for your ear, but the one that's included is a smaller one. So yeah, just like that one. Okay, let's turn it on.
Power on. 16.
So how many channels is this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1,
Yep, it has 16 channels.
16,
Okay, so let's try
1,
to use CR1. Turn it on. Turn on the volume. Oh, let me try this this mic.
no,
Yep.
check. Alright, that's one.
Right. It's the first radio. Now we use the mic.
No, that's mine.
Hello. Yeah, you can hear the voice from here, and I think let's try. Check, test mic check. All right. If you're using this headset, you have to also put this the earpiece so that you can hear it. So yeah. All right. So I think there's one more feature here. Let's see. Let's read the manual. There's a Vox mode, and you can do it by switching to channel 7. Okay, let's try.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And then turn off the radio. Let's turn it off. Then press and hold plus button on the while and turn it on. So press the hold channel 7, press the plus button and turn it on.
VOX on. Power on. 7.
So after I activated the VOX, it says VOX on.
And to use it, you have to put this mic closer to your mouth.
Because if it's too far, it will not work.
Check, 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 check. Test mic check. Check. So I'm not pressing the button. I'm just talking here. And let's try the mouthpiece or
The head. All right. Check, says my check.
check. Look. So yeah, it's working without pressing the button or the PTT button.
To turn it on again, go to the channel 7.
Power on. 7.
So now I have to turn it off. If you want to turn off the VOX mode, turn it off and then press the plus sign button and then turn it on.
VOX off.
Now
Power on. 7.
see, same thing here. I will turn off the VOX.
VOX off. Power on. 7.
Right, so both VOX mode are turned off.
Now I have to press.
Now I have to press this button before I have to talk. Check, test mic check. Don't check. Here. Oh. So we will try the distance. It says here 1.5 miles. Don't run. Go walk. Yeah, you can run. Go. Try to talk, Calvin. Like a lark.
Hello. I'm going on the swing.
Okay, go. Can you talk, Clark? Can you hear me, Clark? Can you hear me now, Clark? All right, I'll go there.
Let me go there.
See me. Coming for you, Clark. Clark, go to the bench. Here, yeah, to your left. Here, to my left. Here, to the left side. You still hear me?
Yeah, I'm at it now.
So, Clark, is it clear? Is it?
Yeah, it's working.
Good. All right. So, I think it's for this open space is working good. I'm not sure how far it is. Maybe 300 steps, but it's working. So, yep, it's working. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.